we're going to reset the service light on the dash. As you can see, we've got a reminder there that says service is due in 5 days. Toggle to the user settings using the buttons on the steering wheel. Then scroll down the menu until you see service interval. Press the OK button on your steering wheel. It'll take you in and show you when your next service is due. Hold down the OK button for 5 seconds and you will see the message reset time and distance, yes or no. And then if you press OK, it will reset it to 10,000 miles or 365 days. Just to check that that's worked, I turn the ignition on and we don't get the service reminder, which is a good sign. But we can also go back into the user settings and click OK on the service interval. Next service due in 10,000 miles or 365 days. Thanks for watching, and if you've got a Tucson, check out my other videos. Subscribe for more. Thank you.